Hey guys, good evening. Just here to tell you a little bit about a cookie mix that I picked up at the store. It's Crocker Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. It has no colors, no artificial flavors, and no preservatives. It's kosher, and per 3 tablespoons mix is packaged. It has 110 calories, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 8% daily value, 105 milligrams of sodium, 4% daily value, and 14 grams of sugars. See nutrition facts for as prepared information. This is the serving suggestion, and it is enlarged to show detail. The net weight is 17.5 ounces, or 1 pound, 1.5 ounces, 496 grams. So it comes pre-packaged and ready to go. So I have to get the oil out, but I have my measuring cups and my mixing bowl and Smart Balance butter that I'm going to be using. So it tells you on the back here what you need. So 1 stick or half a cup of butter, margarine or spread, softened, not melted, 1 egg. To prepare with vegetable oil instead, make dough using 1/3 cup oil, 2 tablespoons water, and 1 egg. To soften butter, let butter soften at room temperature for 45 to 60 minutes, or microwave for 10 to 15 seconds until softened. So my stuff ready to go. So I got to get my egg out. This is do not eat raw cookie dough because of the salmonella in the egg. Nutrition facts: serving size 3 tablespoons mix, 28 grams, makes 2 cookies. Servings per pouch 18. Calories 110, mixed, prepared 160. Calories from fat 25, prepared 80. Total fat 3 grams. Saturated fat 1.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 105 milligrams. Potassium 30 milligrams. Total carbs 21 grams. Sugars 14 grams, and protein 1 gram. So kind of gives you the directions here. Time to bake: heat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 350 for dark or non-stick cookie sheet. So I'm gonna figure out what I have and go based on that. Stir cookie mix, soften butter and egg in a medium bowl until soft dough forms. 2. Drop dough by rounded teaspoonfuls 2 inches apart on ungreased cookie sheet. For 2 dozen larger cookies, drop dough by tablespoonfuls. And then 3. Bake as directed below or until edges are light golden brown. Cool 1 minute before removing from cookie sheet. Cool completely and store in an airtight container. Cookie size regular. Bake time 8 to 10 minutes. Large 9 to 11 minutes. And allow cookie sheet to cool between batches. Makes 3 dozen 2-inch cookies. Okay, so we're all mixed. So I'm going to start taking spoonfuls of this and dropping it onto my pan, which is non-stick, by the way. So I went with 350 degrees instead of 375, and looks really good so far. So I think I'm going to make the smaller ones. So I just used margarine and 1 egg instead of the oil. I decided to do margarine, and yeah, I'm just gonna do spoonfuls like this size, drop them on. I'm gonna roll them so they're nice and round, and then I'm gonna bake them in the oven. Alright, so I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. Okay, so I'm baking these for 8 to 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys in 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so the cookies are all ready. I just put them in for 8 minutes, like the least amount of time, because I didn't want them to be too well done. Just wanted them to be like nice and crispy at the bottom. So you guys could see my cookie pans have seen brighter days, but they look all set and ready to go. Can't wait to try them. I'm just gonna let them cool off for a little bit. So I did the smaller ones, but you guys can make them larger if you want. Totally up to you. So these cookies are delicious, and they're perfect to make, you know, if you don't have time to make them from scratch, because that can be time consuming. If you need cookies for a party, if you just feel like having them, just want to give the kids a snack, you want a snack for yourself, I definitely recommend these. They're really yummy. So guys, these were Crocker Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. Easy to make, and definitely good to have in the pantry for whenever you feel like having chocolate chip cookies. They're definitely my favorite. So I hope you guys will try out Betty Crocker Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix, and I hope you love them. Thanks for watching, guys.